Google on using Quora for backlinks. The semi-popular answers and question networks and killer of Yahoo Answers, Quora is a great forum for people to exchange information, and it actually leads to a lot of valuable contributions. Typically what we see in the Quora link building activities is spammy link building. If you've seen common spam trying to sell IB pills, or if you've seen all sorts of garbage that's just spun together and is not even good English, these are the spammers. If you look at the Google Trends for Quora, the top 3 countries are going to be India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. It's a great place to get free information, and the leaders of those countries are also going to often do spammy link building, such as forum link building, also doing comment link building, and now forum and commenting are coming together inside of Quora. So how does it work? Well, you see an interesting question. How do I do SEO for my small business? And you go in there, you answer questions, and you add a link to your website to learn more. Simple, right? But it's not, because this goes against Google's link building guidelines, and this is unnatural link building. You want people to be answering questions on Quora and using your links because it is the best resource that is coming up on the internet, and therefore it's getting natural shares. So is it worth it to participate in Quora and try to build links to your site? Sure, you'll get some Quora traffic to your website. It shouldn't be your core link building strategy, and you should focus on building more collaborative opportunities with websites that are doing similar content where you can inject yourself into their conversation and cross-pollinate your audiences and really benefit from it. So Google is aware that Quora is kind of spammy, and you should tread lightly and don't put too much time into spammy link building. If you're hiring a vendor that's going to do spammy link building and it looks good to you, you have a long way of catching up to the modern 2020 link building and content building strategies of SEO today. If you have any questions about Quora link building or what my real thoughts about Quora are, drop me a link and comment below, but not a spammy one. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.